And today we're doing a centerpiece for your dining room table, specifically fresh flowers. We've chosen our dish, we've added our foam, added water to the dish so that the flowers will stay fresh as we work with them. And now we need to add some greens. We try to green up the edges so that this generic little bowl doesn't show. If you had a prettier bowl, a dressier bowl, you might not want to put as much greens because you won't need to hide the bowl. But with this one, we're going to take some little scraps of greens and just insert them into our foam to give us a good base for our flowers, plus help disguise the bowl a little bit. These are just tops of leather leaf fern that we've cut off of a larger piece, and we just take the little arms off as we go. Trim down the stem so that there's a fresh stem each time, and just put as much as we can around our bowl. Doesn't take very long, but it helps to have some already around the bowl, and you can always fill in after you put the flowers. You can fill in empty spots with more of the fern. We're using just regular little pruning shears to trim the stems. Anything can be used, kitchen shears, any kind of gardening shears can be used to do this. You don't have to have expensive equipment to be able to do this kind of arrangement.